I'm Craig Tanner, Senior Podiatrist at Aspetar, which is Qatar Orthopaedic and Sports Medicine Hospital in the Middle East. I'm the Senior Podiatrist and we're a specialist sports medicine and orthopaedic hospital trying to offer the highest level of service available. Well, we're a hospital of about 500 staff, opened in 2007, 50-bed specialist orthopaedic and rehab hospital, essentially, based around sports. So what we do is provide the whole range of service in sports medicine, from the basics through to orthopaedic surgery and rehabilitation care. Well, as podiatrists, we do biomechanical assessments. We do gait injury analysis and provide orthoses for patients when they're needed. Well, certainly it's unique in the region, and really there's not many places like it anywhere else in the world, where we have all the sort of services you need for sports medicine all under the same roof, and we've got that integration between departments and that holistic sort of approach to medicine in the sports environment. Where I'm working, my profession isn't well understood, so people come to me and have no idea about what they're actually doing to come and see the podiatrist. We have the sort of challenges where geographically and logistically isolated in some respects, because it's difficult for us to have support from outside the country close at hand. We have to plan everything so far in advance because we can't be very responsive just for the fact that we're a long way away, and bringing equipment into the country quickly isn't always easy. Well, the key thing for me is that we need something which allows us to have full control as clinicians with regard to producing an orthosis, and we need that to be quick and to not be time consuming for us to do that. So we need to essentially provide a true bespoke product quickly. We have athletes come in for a short period of time. We don't have a lot of time with them, so we can't have a long lead time for actually creating a product. Well, I have to talk figuratively because we haven't started with them yet. But however, what I'm expecting is that I will be able to design a device and produce that device very quickly, and then also be able to make modifications to the design and be responsive to how the patient reacts to that device, all very quickly. So that whole manufacturing time should be a lot shorter, and I'm hoping that will allow us to get a better product faster to the athlete. When I looked at the different systems several years ago, it held some promise, but still lacked a couple of key things that I was looking for, namely being very anatomical, as most systems out there tend to be a library type system where, although they might have a nice scan of the foot, they really only use the scan to create the dimensions of the orthotic. They don't use the scan. And when Delcam actually showed me a working version where they actually use the anatomical shape of the foot to create the orthosis, I was like, okay, first of all, but Delcam didn't have that initially, and they've made that step to do that in response to what people have asked for. And for me, that was quite exciting, because I thought that was a big step, and it showed me that the company was progressing very quickly with the development of the system. Well, certainly I've been impressed by the progress that they've made. My contacts that have helped us with the installation so far have been very good, very responsive, and I'm looking forward to the next stage of implementing, the full service. Well, I'm hoping that what we do at Aspetar will be viewed by Delcam and by other people as being the gold standard of how an orthotic service should be, in that it's fast, it's bespoke, and really people look at it and go, that's what you need to do for orthoses. I'm sure as I use it that I'm going to see things that I would want to change and improve, and I find that with everything that I do with regard to podiatry and orthoses, that essentially you know, using your hands, using the product, that's how you learn. You'll learn limitations, and I'm hoping that any limitations we can work out, but I'm quietly confident that we can do that.